Okay, so next project, rebuilding the racing mower. The racing mower rebuild, part 1. Already got the hood off. That's pretty, I mean, it's not like you guys have one of these. It's not like I need to show you how to do it. Kind of just videoing it, you know. But anyways, kind of tearing the whole thing apart. I'm going to try to get I found a 18 horse opposing twin engine that I'm going to try to throw on here. Everything's going to be rebuilt. Whole new front end, whole new steering system, whole new drive line. Transmission's staying though, but all new axle, sprockets. Wheels are staying too. I just see a new axle in there. Yeah, basically new wheel bearings, everything. New front end, like I said, new engine. So we're stripping this down to just the transmission, frame, the seat. Everything else is going to be new. So, it's kind of Race Mower 2.0. Anyways, this thing that blew up, that needs to be fixed. So that engine blew up, so I'm just gonna pull that out of there. And we are going to start. Oh yeah, and gas tank and hood are gonna be the same too. Cause where's my gas tank? I'm gonna paint it too, cause it started rusting. Oh shit, there goes that. But yeah, that's that. So let's tear right into this. Out, I pulled the idler pulley off. Those motor mounts are a bitch. I mean, these look at these bolts, they're just coated in oil too. Look at my hands. So yep, engine's junk for sure. She's leaking. But anyways, I'm gonna pull the throttle cable off quick and then just pull the engine right out of it. Okay, so I've been cleaning up the frame a little bit. That was about a 1/4 inch of thick grease on the whole frame and bottom. I cleaned all that off. Looking nice and pretty clean, actually. So that's where I'm going to stop for tonight. Got the front end off. Right there. Just kind of pulling that off of there. So I think I can reuse the original front end. I'm going to weld the whole front end right to the frame right here. But the actual pivots are nice and snug. They don't have any play. It was up here, which would have play, so I'm going to rebuild that whole shaft. Redo all that. What I'm probably going to do is still run a line around here, but instead of going out this way, I'm going to go in that way so I have more room for my engine. So it's going to go in that way, go that way, and then it will pivot. We'll figure it out. That's for another video. But this is all for now. This was the tear down, and maybe next video there might be a little bit tear down, but it will mostly just be throwing it together. I'm hopefully going to go get an engine this week for it. So, that's it for today, and peace.